and welcome back to my channel. So I saw on Pinterest a keto or healthy version of strawberry daiquiri. I'm doing the version or the non-alcohol version because I don't drink, and it was they mixed sugar-free strawberry jello, ice, this is a big old chunk of ice, and then obviously they use alcohol, but I'm not using alcohol, so I'm just gonna use water, and then you just mix it all together. Sounds interesting, so I thought I'd try it out and see if it tastes good, because I love non-alcoholic or virgin strawberry daiquiri or pina colada. So good. And Jacob's playing PlayStation in the background. Okay, let's do this. Here's all my supplies. This is my shaved ice maker. That's how I'm gonna chop up this ice because I feel like it. You just take this chunk of ice and it normally comes out easier. There you go. Put it in there like that. How much I need. So now I'm gonna put the jello in here first so I can blend it. And yummy. Now we have like little jelly balls. Ooh, that's a lot. Like ice creamy or something. I'm gonna put a bit of water to make it more blendable. This looks delicious. I think I want to put one more jello in it. This looks so pretty. It looks weird in this camera. Let's try. It's like bright pink. For some reason it looks orange. What the heck? Whatever. Now I'm gonna put it in some cups. Me and Jacob are gonna taste it and see if it tastes like a true virgin strawberry daiquiri. Try this and see how it tastes. It's supposed to taste like a strawberry daiquiri. See what you think. Does it taste like strawberry daiquiri?
Pretty close.
Not as sweet as a strawberry daiquiri, but really good.
Where's this one? Jello?
Jello and ice and water. It's good.
Very good. Well done.
It's a thumbs up.
Thumbs up. Very good. Very, very good.
Put a little whipped cream in there if you want. The texture is so weird how the Jello like kind of makes it like smoothie like. So there you have it. It was a win for us. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for the next video. Bye.